How to use MessageBox with expert advisors for MQL4 for beginners. The first thing you guys want to do is open up your terminal, MetaTrader 4, and go to this little window right here and click this little notepad or press F4. A window should pop up where you hit new and go to Expert Advisor. First thing we do is type in MessageBox for beginners edited. Okay. So now we get our expert advisor, our template, our code for adding it in. So next thing we need to do is type in 2 ints in the global. 1 and we can type in another int for 2. Now we got our 2 globals. Let's put in our first layer, our first code, and this will make sure that if it's not trading on these 2 currency pairs, we get a message. Okay. Make it a little bigger. So basically, the first thing we're going to do is check if the symbol is either euro, dollar, or pound, yen. If it's not on these 2 pairs, the robot won't trade or give you a notification for it. Then we're going to do a moving average. IMA is this right here. If the ask price is greater than the moving average, then we're looking for a buy position. If not, wait for the buy. So now we have that indication, and now we put in our first stuff for the message box, which will help determine what currency pairs we can trade it on. Okay. So next thing we do is an else. So if this is not true, else what happened, right? We're going to create a message box saying, do you know which pairs to use on this EA? And it's going to ask you in the top left-hand corner right here, symbols that are not matching. If you say yes, option 1 will happen, and if you say no, another option will happen. So yes is 6 and no is 7, okay? We hit next right here. I just need one more here. We'll hit so if it's a 6, a message box will pop up saying these currencies are available to be trades on euro yen. That's if you hit no. If you hit yes, close the EA, or close the EA come up as yes, and if you hit yes, which is 6, the expert advisor will close. Very simple code as it is going right now. But basically this will be in the written spot right here. This would be in the written spot right here, and that would be the top left-hand corner. And now we'll see how we use our expert advisor on, we'll say USD JPY. It's supposed to be used only on euro, dollar, or pound yen. We hit OK, and the first thing we get is a message box that pops up. It came up right here. Do you know which pairs to use this EA on? No, I don't. You need to close EA. Oh, I made a mistake. Give me a second. This is 6. This is 7. And this is 6. All right, go back. We'll try it again. And we'll go through here. And the first question goes up. Do you know which pairs this uses EA on? No, I don't. Another window pops up saying, these are the currencies available to be on trades, to trade on. Euro, dollar, and pound yen. Hit OK. Next thing is, do you know which pairs to use it on? You hit yes. And they're asking you to close the EA because you're not using the right one. Now it's not using EAs. This is basically a simple way to use and protect your code, because if it's not, you can either it's not these 2 currency pairs, or you can even put a password in there. Password using either these 2 currency pairs, none of your indicators will pop up. And I mean, it's a good way to either protect. It's a good way to protect your code, and also how to use MessageBox. Now this video is for beginners, guys. If any question or comments, guys, put it in the comment section. I'll get to it, and I'll try to make other videos to help you guys out. So once again, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.